Thank you
Take
for
only
giving
2 minutes,
this
eh?
opportunity. This is not only the burning issue of entire country, but also has become issue after Honorable Prime Minister raising this in the recently concluded G20 summit. Sir, different figures has been given by different people. Sir, there are several estimates of Indian wealth in tax havens. Media has reported that the amount could be 70 lakh crore, estimates pegged in 25 lakh crores. I have no hesitation to say that illicit monies are the dirty outcome of modern capitalism. There is no doubt that whoever stashed black money in tax havens or foreign banks illegally be punished, and entire money has to be brought back and used for the welfare of poor and downtrodden. My party and my leader, Sri Chandrababu Naidu, also made our stand over clear that guilty should be punished and black money should be brought back. So, my first point is, I compliment the Honorable Prime Minister for his efforts at G20 summit and convincing the world leaders the repercussions being faced by countries like India due to black money. Here I suggest for consideration of the government that a special ambassador should be appointed to deal with other countries and also look into various aspects relating to tax treats. Sir, next thing, if you look at the Patriot Act of USA, it has some threshold limit. If you enter into financial transaction more than the threshold limit, then law enforcing agencies report the same to government. So I suggest for consideration of the government that we also insist on entities operating in India to report all global financial transaction above threshold limit. The threshold limit can be fixed by the government. And the next thing, sir, I finally request the Honorable Finance Minister to release a white paper on black money so that the people of this country know its exact status. Secondly, there is also huge black money within the country, which I think is more than what is stashed overseas. So, as especially in Andhra Pradesh, there is allegation on on Jagan. That also you have to take consideration.
No.
So, as the Finance Minister,
No, have you
also
mentioned
convey
the name?
white paper on the,
No, name
the
is-
domestic money. Thank you, sir.
Name mentioned is expense. Name mentioned is expense.